This is Yinka from HairWeavon. Here are the 5 top products that I think you should have for maintaining your hair system at home. The C22 Solvent. This is a great product. It's great for both cleaning your scalp and also for cleaning the hair system. It rinses off very easily with just soap and water, and it works well on most tapes and soft bonds, and it has a really nice citrusy smell. The Bond Breaker Shampoo. This is a great all-in-one product. It is great for scrubbing the scalp, for removing any residue of bond on the scalp, and also to remove any residue of bond on the hair system. Brilliant product to have. Next up is the Scalp Protector. This is a great product to have to help improve the adhesion of your tape or the bond. It's a great one to have if you have oily skin. It just creates a barrier between your skin and the bond. Or if you're going to be doing any kind of water sports or swimming, it's a great product to help your bond to hold or your tape to hold even better. The Scalp Protector is also great if you're in a hot or humid climate, and it's also brilliant for reducing any kind of irritation from tapes and bonds. Next up is the Adhesive Bond. The Ultra Hold Adhesive Bond is the one that we've selected as the one that gives our client the ultimate confidence in wearing their hair system. This Adhesive Bond gives you great hold for your hair system for 3 to 5 weeks. Last up are the tapes. Some people like to use just the bond adhesive, but some people like to use the tapes in combination with the bond adhesive. Any of these tapes would be great to have. This one here is the Ultra Hold tape. It has a hold of up to 2 to 4 weeks, and it comes in this lovely concave shape, which is handy for the front of the hairline. These mini strip tapes are brilliant. They're very convenient because they're cut into individual strips already. So they're great for just those areas of maybe a small bit of lift. And the no shine tape, it comes in a roll, so you can cut it into the size that you need. But it's also great because it doesn't give any shine from the sun. Any of these tapes are great to have, whether you use them in combination with your bond adhesive or use them on their own. So those were the top 5 products I think you should have if you're a hair system wearer. Now, if you're a hair system wearer or if you're considering getting a hair system, feel free to check the HairWeavon website, give us a call or drop us an email. We're always here to help.